Girl, hello you lovely, gorgeous, beautiful people. How are you doing this morning? I'm doing kind of fabulous and kind of fantastic. I am back, your girl Boomey B. So welcome to Inexpensive Wiggery 24. I hope you like this pink. I haven't worn a pink lip in so long, and I was just like, you know what? F it. Like, let's just wear pink. The hair can't really be seen, but I have worn the shit out of this wig. I have worn this wig to death. This cut, because of how it is, it looks really good when it's worn. So that's the only thing that's my saving grace. But I've been wearing such a special wig as an everyday wig just because I've been feeling the black. Like, I'm getting a lot of compliments in black, which is, you know, to my surprise. And I just really like the haircut. And it's so like flowy. I love it. It's gonna be a short wiggery today. This order came just like this in a manila or yellow colored envelope. And to be honest, I can't remember, because this is a non-sponsored video. This was me thinking I was getting a fire ass lace front wig, and I didn't. So I'm gonna have to go back into my orders so I can go back and tell you who to never order from, because their pictures are false advertising versus what you get. Now don't get me wrong, I don't let any dollar go to waste, so I will be freaking this wig. I'm going to customize it to the best of my ability because it has absolutely no part. Well, it has a part. Let me not say it has no part. It has a part, but it needs to be plucked so very badly. So I'm gonna spend my day doing that and having to cut out baby hairs to do something about the front of the wig because it's not lace. And yeah, like, that wasn't the way it was advertised. I'm gonna do my best to try to find a picture to show you right here what the hair looked like that I thought I was getting. So, and then you'll see what the wig really looks like. And you know, I don't have any wiggery wine today. I have just like a seltzer drink. I'm popped. What do you want from me? I need to start getting sponsored by some wine brands so that I can have new wine every week, but I'm broke. Yeah, so let's just jump right into this. There's not gonna be much. It has a net and it has the little wooden piece, or the little cardboard piece that the wigs come formed in. It has a loose wave pattern. The hair is silky, but definitely feels like, you know, there's a lot of room for tangling. It is not really thick. It's actually really, really thin. So if you like really thick hair, or you like the hair to feel like bundle thickness quality, this is not going to be the wig for you. Again, this is not the way it was advertised. I want you guys to see what I thought I was getting versus what I got. So it was one of those internet expectations versus reality. This hair is probably about 14 inches long. It's not that long. It comes to about my boob. It's not lace again, so this is what the front of the cap looks like. It's a pretty standard cap inside with the floral piece right here and just the wefts and the elasticity. Be advised, there are no wig combs, clips, or anything in this wig. So this is a bobby pin, or, you know, just hope it stays down wig. There looks to be layers in this hair. I don't know. Okay, wait, no, it's a middle part. So yeah, there are layers. I mean, it's not soft, but I feel it becoming extremely tangly. And the shedding is pretty significant. You know, they're rare, but I have to have a negative review every now and then. Taking off tags. And then we are going to do a quick wig switch. Back after having combed through it and trying to make it look as decent as it possibly can on camera. I will say that it most certainly needs to be flat ironed and, you know, manipulated heavily. I need to play with this wig on a level to get it to look any sorts of decent or where I would want to actually wear it anywhere. Like I said, you can see how bad this part is. It's barely anything. I have to pluck the shit out of this part. For the sake of this video, I hope this looks good. I'm gonna say first things first, the color on me and in general looks really, really good. I'm loving how it has the silver, but it has like a little tint hue, little remnants of blue. Like it's giving me a nice little blue look, and I think that's fitting for the background, the shirt I'm wearing, and all of that. So I'm pleased with the color. That's not even a problem. But the shedding is phenomenal, and for there to be barely any hair in this unit is kind of like, okay, so that's the shedding. And I see that it's coming out from the root because I also see some thread in this. I kind of suppose that I got G'd because I believe this cost like 28-30 bucks, which I still feel like I should have a better quality of wig at this point in time. 2018, $28-30 wigs are doing a lot better than they ever were before. This is the wig in half, bro. Like, there's no hair in this wig. It's so pathetic. Like, oh god. You know, I'd love for this to be like one of those fairy tale endings where I do everything I need to do to it today and then I start loving this wig, but it really is so thin. Look at that. That's it in half. That's it. And this is why I said this was going to be short, because there's nothing like, I'm not mesmerized. I'm not seeing myself and can't take my eyes off myself. It's just like, okay, cool. Whatever. I don't know. Let's do a 360 so you can see the back. I wish I had more to say. I really do. But you know, I'm kind of speechless when I don't like something. Not that I'm easy to please, but I get excited about almost everything just because it's different or it's fun or it's whatever. But you know, like a wig that presents this much of a problem to me as far as like having to go too much into making it look presentable or wearable or something I even want to be seen in, it kind of frustrates me. So I think I'm also just scorned because this is not what it looked like, and I haven't been a victim yet of what I thought I was getting versus what I got. Like I haven't suffered that, and this is my first one, so I guess I'm kind of bummed about that. Like even if the wig was better than this, I think I still would feel away because it doesn't look like, not even in the least, what I thought it was gonna look like. I always want to like every wig, but for the sake of honesty and realness, I can't even do that. Other than that, don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Please comment with suggestions for wigs in general that you want to see me try on. And subscribe to this channel, of course. Like, come on. Get with the whole wiggery series. Like, we're here. Like, I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you spend your money in these streets wisely. Like I always say at the end of every video, or especially every wiggery, y'all be cool like how y'all be cool. I will see y'all in the next one, 25. Bye everybody.